Welcome back to another episode of Why You Should Never Modify Your Car. Welcome back to another episode of me standing in the hot sun and never getting anything done. Welcome back to how to take a very expensive nice car and ruin it. Welcome back to a million ways to try, I guess. Welcome back to another episode of I don't know what I'm doing. Welcome back to another episode. You get the point. For those of you who aren't caught up with the first Cayman Widebody kit in Northern America, click in this right hand corner. You can watch all the rest of these build videos. Also, for all you newcomers, consider subscribing because we make new videos every single Tuesday. You can watch me ruin more cars, or more particularly, you can watch me ruin this car. So here's the lowdown, here's the scoop, okay? So what I've been working on is trying to do reverse mount hardware. It comes out pretty freaking sick if you ask me. Look at this, no body gap. The predicament that I have going on here. You see this bad boy right here? This is my rear quarter panel. If I smoke a hole through here, you do reverse hardware like I did in the front and you bolt this puppy on, and then you weld this quarter panel shut. Guess what happens? You can't reach those bolts to take them off. I have no idea what the f to do to get this thing to bolt together. So I've been losing my mind over the past few weeks because I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Big SoCal Euro is tomorrow and this car is supposed to be there tomorrow. And all I've done is this. Made a mess. Take things off. Tyler, why are you making resin mess and fiberglass all over the place? I'm building up flanges because these flanges were pretty small so that they can bolt together in the front. Previously the flanges were too small. You couldn't get a bolt through there. And so I'm hoping that helps a little bit to squeeze them together and hold them in place. God, I guess this is so confusing. Hope you guys understand. So buckle up, sit down, relax. Maybe not relax. Hopefully you're in for a treat and you figure out how to do something cool. If not, you guys can just laugh at me. You guys can see this is cured. Now I can drill a hole right here and put a bolt through it. And I have this on both sides. What I need to do is just trim down the excess and then put this back on the car. So now you guys can see this is what I was doing. Built these flanges so that we can stick these bolts through it and bolt the flare to the side skirt. Yeah. As I'm making the flanges on the passenger side, you guys see I'm using cardboard here with packing tape. Pro tip, resin and fiberglass do not stick to the packing tape. As soon as you fiberglass this, you'll be able to pull this right off after it's fully cured. Alright, so took a little break now nighttime. These work so well. Look at these tabs. So nice. Super, super strong too. So this is how these flanges come out. They come out pretty nice. Super, super strong and thick. And they look, once this gets sanded and all gets painted, you're never even gonna know. Alright, so it's 6 a.m. And I probably look like shit because I didn't go to bed till 2. This is gonna be my first time ever washing this thing with the Widebody kit. Let's get her all washed up and cleaned up and I'm ready to get down to the show. We made it! Big SoCal Euro. Is the car done? Absolutely fucking not.
But it looks good though.
We've been getting mad love today. I appreciate everybody who came out. Everybody doesn't know this is Tony.
Hey, what's up?
I went to high school with Tony. Tony, we've known each other for a while. Yeah. And Tony knows jack about cars.
I don't know anything about cars, and I definitely probably shouldn't be here.
Wow, this is, look at this. Look at this sticker.
Only bags, I like it.
Only bags.
Only bags.
This is something that super iconic. I love this car. This is the owner of Rotiform. He owns this car, but it's also their paint job is in partnership with Race Service. And I don't really know how to say his name, but he's an awesome artist. He's painted so many cars. There's a Porsche that he's done for BC Moto. And this thing is absolutely ridiculous. And I contacted them because I wanted them to do my Cayman. And they said maybe.
I do like the message on this one though, the future.
The future.
I really like that.
Is our fault. This vlog is gonna be so bad.
I
got your new nickname.
What is it?
You're Tony the Tesla.
Oh, you know what's funny? It's actually in elementary school. I was ran for class president.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, and it was Tony the Tiger.
Nice.
Tony the Tesla now.
Now you're Tony the Tesla.
Upgraded.
Yeah. Okay, so Tony and I actually didn't finish recording this video at the show because it was absurdly hot. Both of us kind of got like sick from that. I felt like I was on the borderline of having a heat stroke, and I did not feel good for the next day afterwards either. I had like 6 waters, Gatorade, a lemonade, and I was still super dehydrated. Tony felt the same way. With that being said, the show was still super fun. Stayed up all night the night before, got everything done with the Cayman that I wanted to get done before the show, so thankfully we were able to drive the thing there and actually attend, and it was really cool. We got a lot more love and appreciation than I ever thought that I would get bringing a half-done project to the show. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me. I appreciate everybody who watches, likes, subscribes. That helps out the channel a ton. Trying to reach the goal of 100,000 subscribers. Thank you again. We'll see you guys next week. Hopefully we'll get some more stuff done on the Cayman. I have to build some stuff on the Genesis because I'm gonna be in a movie. I have no idea if I'm gonna actually showcase that. We'll see. Anyways, I'll see you guys on Tuesday.